mga kapeti, so tomorrow I will be going live with Sunny's Face, sharing with you the newest product of Sunny's Face. These are their Stay Sticks. It's a lipstick that stays. Buti pa to, char. No, share ko lang, but it's my first time ever to pasok with a little bit of makeup on. And ayan, I am gonna swatch these. This has a cream to matte finish. This is Tulle. It's a dusty rose. So ayan. You guys see that? Nakover siya agad. Nakover siya agad. I mean, it's a full coverage lipstick. And it's not drying, ha? By the way, guys, if you check out two Stay Sticks, automatic na meron ka ng freebie na pouch. And by the way, look, oh, these are so compact and handy. Look how small these are. It's kasha here. Diba? Ang cute! Ang cute! By the way, if you buy two of these, the original price is 1,585. Besides this freebie, you will only get it for a total of 1,190. So, parang naka-discount ka ng 400 pesos. Diba? It's super sulit. So, I applied Tulle as it is, like the normal way you apply lipstick, but I also want to share with you guys another way. This is Cameo. It's a cinnamon brown, and if you guys know me, hindi ako mahilig sa brown. Look. Ganyan siya. But I'm just gonna put like a bit, okay na yan, and I'm just gonna smudge it. It's super nice, so easy to blend and lightweight. I like this. Anyway, be the first ones to get your hands on these Stay Sticks. Register here tomorrow, and besides that, meron pang mga 50% off sa mga bestsellers ng Sunny's Face. So don't forget to register here. See you!